Oh shit! Oh no, it's just you. Oh hey, what's up guys? Today, what are we doing again?
We are playing Volcano Run.
Okay guys, so like I said, we are playing Volcano Run. If you do not know what Volcano Run is, this is a new SG, okay, not new. This is an SG map, guys.
What the frick? I can't come up here. Damn that thing.
Yeah, we have like these barrier blocks, and we can go up there. But I mean, that would be really cool if you could go check out, you know, what's on the other side. Cause
can I? Oh shit! I can't even go down.
Okay, let me tell the guys what the video is about. Okay, so basically, let me see the signs. Click for credits. Created by Trezwan, owner of Sky Games. Okay.
Are you serious?
I pressed the wrong button. Okay, so basically what this is, guys, as the colors...
I don't know how you play this.
As the colors get darker, the blocks disappear, and once the block disappears, you fall into lava. Okay, you got it?
No.
Just don't stand in the block when it's dark. Guys, this is like it's like a
Talk shape part. I'm coming in now.
It is like a better version of TNT Run.
Like you see, Trezwan created the TNT Run.
Did he?
Did you see what you caused? I ran behind you. And
okay,
you
Mateo has died. I survived the volcano.
I also survived.
That is me. We just saw you die. Okay, guys, let me just talk to you properly again. Okay, so what is this? Click for how to play. I'm just gonna show you guys. When playing in the arena, the white concrete will change under your feet. The concrete will get more red and eventually disappear. Stay in the arena for as long as you can. Okay, guys, so that is basically how we play this map. And do these do anything? Okay, no.
This kind of looks similar like the other map that we played. Look at all these
these kind of structures.
What's the thing called?
Yeah, they were used. They were used in sandcastles. Okay, one more time. Let's play like a best out of 3.
No, out of 4 or 5.
No, 3. 3, man. How can you play 4?
What if it doesn't? No, 4 to make it equal. See?
No.
So I don't lose like last time.
No, we are restarting. This is the first one.
Damn this. Why did stop following me?
Ah, shit.
I'm trying to jump as high as I can.
Ah, don't come my way, please.
You came in my way.
Okay, this is real tough. This is so intense, guys. Like you don't know.
I'm trying to run along it. It just. Are you serious?
Dude, I'm doing what I can to survive.
Oh shit!
Okay.
Don't die. Don't. Damn!
I'm surviving! I am shit.
I got lost.
I still won.
My game glitched.
I'm still on fire. Wait, what the?
What the frick? Okay, so that tapu comes right.
Okay, let's go on into the second one, guys. But before you go on into that, I just want you to go down into the comment section. Vote before this. Who do you think will win best out of 3 in SG Volcano Run? Real quick, I'm gonna give you a couple seconds, guys.
Are they done now?
Okay, let's do this. Run to SG Volcano Run.
Hit and run.
What?
Did you just blow up?
Did I just go
I saw
like?
you fly. Don't stand on the other one now. Did you just break it? I'm walking behind you.
I can jump higher. I can jump higher and further.
Damn. That's really sad for me. Because I might die now.
Oh shit, why are you coming my way?
You came in my damn way, you playing. Oh shit, I need to run fast. Where the hell did this big pipe? I nearly died. The rock stopped me. I don't need the rock now, dude. Adish, stop it! I nearly died because of you.
Okay, good. Oh my god.
Such a tight situation. Oh god, I died.
No, you did it. Oh. Ah. Oh my god. I survived. Round
They don't
two.
say I survived.
Round two goes to me, guys. But so we basically know who's gonna win.
This is for fun. This is not for competition like last time.
You know I've won like 2 already, and I'm basically the winner. But we're gonna play one more just for his sake.
Yes.
Was he a little loser?
No. I'm a little loser. Stand up.
You idiot! Why would you stand in the same place?
I didn't know.
I even gave you a chance to win one, guys.
I did not know.
I gave him a chance to win one, and that is what he does.
I thought you're supposed to stand on the block so you can blow up.
Explain yourself.
The block. So make you jump higher and everything and blow up. So you can fly higher. And you jump.
Last one, guys. Don't forget, if you want this map, make sure to check out how to get this map from another video that we posted. It's called How to Get Add-ons in Minecraft. And basically, my friend Trevette and I created this channel. And he's posted a video on how to get add-ons in Minecraft. And on that app, that's you get add-ons, you get mods, you get some pretty cool maps.
Like this is one of them.
This is one of them, guys. And
are you serious? I did not know there was barrier blocks there. I tried to jump over. That didn't block me.
Okay, guys.
As you can see, I won 3 times.
Okay, you wish, but I'm not gonna say anything. We have viewers there. Okay, so if you did enjoy this video, make sure to hit a like. And like I always say, guys, if you subscribe, you're awesome. If you don't, then you're just not awesome. Okay, guys, thanks for watching.
Didn't even get to bronze.